Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Today is another hilarious one, very hot. This Christmas season, we will not stop by giving you hot bangers. So without further ado, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, make sure you comment, like. Let's go.
Voila. Me also make me call tell you say why you come and ask come toast my sister thinking I won't notice. It's not because I come here ask come toast your sister. I make you come and ask come shout, come open mouth like dog. If I offend you best.
Don't talk to my brother like that now.
Oh my god. Chi.
Yes, let's have it.
Even if I don't get shishi, I get you chichi. You don't they speak fair like dragon. They want to with you dragon. If I don't name my sister, I go live for you.
Let's watch this video.
Come. Let me be Caesar. Give what belong to Caesar to Caesar. If not, I go Caesar. Chairman. My woman don't drop the 2K dollars at 2 card. Go to them with ADC exchange. They did very fast and reliable. They will credit to ASAP. Yosha! I swear. Chairman, you be a son on the park for you.
Pack up for you.
We dey get and clear for you. All my boys they drive Lexus. What am I doing with your sister? It's for take care of you. You don't say no guide.
Osas fly back come with me for Dayton and ask Smokey one goat. Today na my sister wedding.
Goat must be down, like
Neighbor,
you are.
that should be that.
But you don't come again without your sibling. Should we?
Who be sibling?
That fufu we don't in your house since forever now. Not be your younger sister, you don't become.
Which kind of talk be that one? Why go they talk that kind of thing? Anyway, this one way traveling box they near your pot. You want cook put inside. What's into your pot?
Nah, traveling thing so. See, if you look very well, you go see the way everybody they hold bottle of Predator energy drink. You understand? So that them go fit go London with Brother Shaggy go experience football match.
And yeah, you are
Nah,
here.
lie.
You know just end there. You know say you SAB call your friend like say you won't call out to glory. You go win lots of airtime, like plenty airtime. This will no go only be a property for your house, eh? You go win flat screen TV and football as well. You go win plenty football.
How person want to win this one like this now? What will be the process? How
I
person
can
go
give you
take?
one bottle, yeah. Get one bottle, whatever drink. Oh yeah, take them. Take this.
How can someone just go and buy
Collect
food
and quick or
and
before I change my mind. Take the
no
bottle of
hope of
Predator
having
energy
soup
drink,
to
eh?
eat
This
it
one
with?
colo.
Hey, cold because
It's
now
you.
they hot.
Or rather having hope later to eat
As
it.
you open them, so look under the cock. If you look under the cock, you go see one code. Text them along with your name, your age, and your location to 50221. You go definitely stand chance to win. I just imagine as you dey watch football with Brother Shaggy, plus you go get lot of airtime, even win flat screen TV and football.
Someone's already doing this winning
Shake the
thing.
cover of the bottle when I give you.
You are drinking. Someone
Where
is
the cover of
winning.
the bottle when I give you? More. Neighbor. Neighbor.
Chai!
You be like now your win landlord win so.
Landlord quick.
Coco drink the Predator where they your hand so. You go need strength or water go your village or London by trekking.
I swear you need to work out. Go. You are too quick. You are saying your landlord quick. I be you quick. They have not finished giving you the direction how to do it. They have thrown it everything.
You know the truth. You know the truth. You don't mind. Come on, shut up.
Baba, listen, oh. Any talk we go put person for problem. Leave am for happy. Baba, listen to me. My eyes are active like brick. You know they use leg stand.
Hey, how much you collect?
Mama, money I use go buy goods.
That's his answer.
I buy this money. 30% don't come out inside.
30%.
30% too.
I don't pay collect and I see who collect and there.
Hey!
Bro!
Retire.
Bring it come.
I'll give you quite different.
Sipue. What the match is? Hey! I don't finally test as I die.
Let's see some of these guys.
This one where your girlfriend carry her bag, they come out. Now don't do finish.
We have not done. Let me go and check that.
Why carry your bag they go now? What does it look like I'm doing? I'm done with you.
Oh,
I don't
just
understand.
like that.
You don't understand.
Yes, it's because you don't have money. You see?
Oh
my God.
You don't have money. You're expecting me.
like that.
Come on, you're expecting me to explain to you, so you're gonna understand. Never.
Okay. Sir?
What's going on here?
I'm my girlfriend be that too.
My friend, will you get out of here and go and make money?
Baby!
Hold up.
I'm gonna get that for you.
My friend, will you get up from there and go and make money?
In job, not they call young guys girlfriends.
I
still don't remember you. In the other, my brother.
This guy will show them. I know you. Let's see what's going to happen.
Kasongo, yeah. Mombadi Nanga.
What is it?
That's my wife. Dissolve! Baby, what's going on here?
My husband. It's not what you think, it's my Uber guy.
Uber guy kissing my lolo. Baby, don't touch me like that. Hey, you! I will deal with you. You want to collect my wife from me?
Chief, not be you first calling my girlfriend.
I did not collect your baby. Your babe chose me over you. Baby, between me and him, what do you prefer?
Between na Chief.
You see?
Mommy?
Yes.
Between me and Chief, who do you prefer? I prefer my sweet boy. Aww.
Oh my God!
Chief, no reason now one draw. Life is simple.
What did you even tell this woman, this chief's wife, that is making her crazy over you? Like,
Don't let them catch us here.
What did they worry you?
What the F?
You know, say night don't they come. For any man way see, enter house, may we know what they do.
What the F? What the F?
What's going on, bro?
Oh, I'm sorry, boss. Just keep driving, keep driving.
Better go back inside.
is this possible? Like,
what you exclaiming for?
Sorry, boss. Just keep driving, keep driving.
Content. Voila.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Look at that beautiful damsel over here.
Oh, no. That about beautiful damsels.
Come on, bro. This is Christmas. I need to have somebody.
This ain't about Christmas. I know what I just saw right now.
Christmas, bro. You gotta be generous.
Just wait at least. Wait. I was just.
So, where you headed?
Well, anyway, you want to drive me to, I don't mind.
Oh, that's a trap right there. I know a trap when I spot one. That's a man and a woman touching you right there. Spot one.
What's wrong with you, bro?
How do you
Who asked for your opinion?
This?
What you mean? What's wrong with me?
You see, I'm trying to be nice to my security guard, but he sees himself as a boss already. For riding with me in the same car.
Listen, boss. These kind of people, they are Bob kind of people and they're risky.
Get out of my car and then go home, okay?
Hell no. You want me to go?
What's your job?
You open and close the gate.
Say it again.
Open and close the gate.
Read your lips. One more time, what's your job?
Open and close the gate.
Now you get out of my car, track home, go back, do what your job is. Get out of my car.
All right.
That's what you get when you don't mind your business.
Well, that's unfair, though.
So hello, baby.
I'm good.
You look so sumptuous.
Thank you.
I'ma give you a ride all night long.
I'm riding around that town like where did you
all right now and long. All
it's
night
right about
long.
that time you already know.
We get to all night long.
Welcome to my humble abode.
So fine.
Thank you. So I'm going inside to, prepare one or two for you, okay?
Thank you.
I bet sit down, they knock my head for grand, I beg.
I heard something.
No, it's from outside. The neighbors.
Are you sure it's from the outside?
Yeah. Sure.
I'm coming.
Okay.
I said, man, sit down, I beg. They knock my head for grand.
I know what I heard. Are you with somebody?
You don't get angry.
What you mean you hope I don't get angry? What's the problem?
I'm a twin deity.
A what?
A twin deity.
What does that mean?
Ghost.
One is spiritual, One is physical, which is me. We are 2.
Why are you gay?
You are 2 person
Me and
in
my
one.
brother. Yes.
One is spiritual.
Yeah.
And one is physical.
You enter wala.
Wait till they do you now. Sit down a bed. I want rest.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Calm down.
What you mean calm down? Don't tell me to calm down, bro.
Calm down. You're not here to harm me. We just need a new place to install our shrine.
What you mean?
Install.
Hey!
20. This our new shrine is fine, oh.
Huh?
You like her?
Yes, nah.
Let's tickle.
Here's some girl shit right here.
Cutlass man and cut him off.
Hey, what's going on?
They are diabolical. They have power.
I close it from outside.
What you mean you're looking from outside?
Because I want you to learn the hard way this time around.
Okay.
Even he learn the hard way, he's not going to learn his lesson.
You said that
This
the
guy
last
is
time.
always being a move.
This is more dangerous than the last time, bro.
It's always a
Nah,
move.
man. I keep telling you, boss. I told you.
It's more Chineke, man. I have the man. Boy, I don't, man. It's more Chineke, I have the man.
It's your brother working on you, man.
What you mean?
You a big womanizer, man.
Because you're no man.
I'm here, man.
Wait a minute.
It's very good for someone to learn, to try to understand or try to listen to correction or try to listen to somebody explaining to them. But some people will never want to listen. Let's see this one from MC Lively. Play me the bedroom. Hold your Yoruba movie like. Please,
Rebecca.
let me see this in the comment.
Oh, kí ni bíbí náà? Ó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wàá ṣe nù wá nù dáadáa.
Ọkùnrin olójú rànkókó. Abẹ́ṣẹ́kù bí odò ẹ̀kọ́.
Lè ṣe ẹ́, àrà ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń gbọ̀n. Aṣọ tó yà aṣọ ló fi wò ó.
Nǹkan mi mọ̀ kó tẹ̀ ń sọ o.
Nípa tí wọ́n bí jọ ara sáfárà kí ló ń ṣe.
Nǹkan mo dán wọ̀ lókè.
Ilẹ̀ ń sùn kó lè mọ̀jọ́. Rebecca, ló mi ìyàwó mi fún ẹ sọ́la.
Madam, 8.5 ni sir.
8.5?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sir.
Oh, dẹ̀ sọ fún mi.
Mi pé madam ló gbà mí síṣẹ́ so.
Bàbá ẹ̀ Chris wọ́n wá fún ẹ ní 20k.
Ọ̀gá ìṣeun mo dúró wẹ́sì.
Ó yá dìde kó sún wọn bí kò. Rebecca, tó bá ṣe mí dáadáa.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Tó fún mi bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
Ẹ ṣe sà.
Ìyá sùn mọ́ mi fún mi.
Tí mo ń kì í báyìí, tí mo dá mọ́ fi kó sórí náà gbogbo.
Ló gbé kaná.
Is it how Yoruba movie be like?
Ọmọ ikú gbogbo ilé ìtayà láti ẹjọ́ ìlú òde rí.
Don't bow.
Látẹ́gbẹ́ kí ẹ máa ṣiṣẹ́ bí aago. Àṣìṣẹ́ fẹ́.
Most men are like this. And you as a woman, you know your man when you're bringing in house help, a female house help or a female lady. It's not right. You're not supposed to do that. Just have to bring a little girl, little boy, or let me say a little boy. Yeah. You know, look at now, look at your man sneaking out the middle of the night to go give somebody e-bank that he has never given you before.
Okay, clean sínú yàrá mi.
I came into the night like a baby.
Okay, clean sínú yàrá mi.
Tupa pé ká wá ṣe umu now.
Okay, má ṣe báyìí, okay, má ṣe báyìí. Bọ́dá mọ̀ nù yàrá. Okay, ìtìlẹ̀kùn mi fi wà láàmú. Okay, ṣe díẹ̀ òun.
Because of 20k, you think they the girl mind. Why she go?
Rebecca, bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ká. Ta ló fẹ́ lóyún? Madam, má jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ madam ẹjọ́. Mo ní ta ló fẹ́ lóyún? Ẹjọ́ ẹgbẹ́ ṣàánú mi ẹjọ́. Ṣé kí ẹ máa dá mẹ́lò? Ta ló fẹ́ lóyún? Àmì ṣe sùúrù ẹgbẹ́. Kí ló fẹ́ mi fún? Ṣé mo kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni? Ó ti ẹ̀ ti dá. Madam. My dear, ẹ káàbọ̀, ó ti ẹ̀ ti dá. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sá. Bá mi bẹ́ẹ̀, ìpè kó kà ẹni tó fún lóyún.
Ṣùgbọ́n Rebecca ò ti lóyún.
Ó ti lóyún.
Irọ́ ni.
Ó ti fẹ́ ra kù.
Rebecca.
Sir.
Ta ló fún ẹ lóyún ibo ló ti?
Bá mi bí o. Mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́
Better easily.
Mo ní ta ló fún lóyún.
Calm down.
Ṣó lẹ́nu ni.
You're not supposed to be shouting at her because if you point in this place,
kò tí tó bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Kò tí tó bẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
Ojú tí mo di kí n tó là kò bọ́ sẹ́nu lẹ́mi.
Nísòro.
Madam Ejo. Máa fi eyín bá yẹ̀ jẹ́. Ṣáájú mẹ́ta ló ní lẹ́yìn. Madam Ejo. Ní ta ló fún lóyún.
Instead of you and Chilami to be cutting the house,
tí wọ́n fẹ́ nà ọ́ ni bébì.
Bá yẹ̀ jẹ́ máa fi eyín àná bá yẹ̀ jẹ́.
Ìwúlò lè sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ó lè sọ̀rọ̀ náà.
Good.
Tani Musa ló fún lóyún.
Kí ni ẹ?
Musa.
Musa ló fún ẹ lóyún.
Kò sí Musa. Èmi mọ́ ló fún lóyún. Oh no. Ta ló fún lóyún. Ọ̀gá ni.
Musa ẹ.
Ẹ̀mí mímọ́ ọ̀gá àbí. Ọ̀gá ilé.
He came through the 9th door, through the back door, in the middle of the night, like Ibang. To a gonga.
Ládùúrú gbogbo ìyà tí mo bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ. Lọ́jọ́ rírí jẹ, lọ́jọ́ ẹ̀rí jẹ. Nígbà tó ti jẹ́ èèyàn. Ìwọ fún ọmọdọ̀ lóyún. Ó lá ìtàn ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀, ó ga, ó balẹ̀.
Àjà iṣẹ́ èṣù ni mí ò mọ̀.
Èṣù dúró ti ẹ̀jẹ̀ jẹ́ owó labí.
Màjá, ṣe sùúrù. Ọmọ ló ń pọ ọmọ wáyé náà. Tó bá ti bímọ yẹn ń sìn, àmọ́ nǹkan tó ló fẹ́ fi ṣe fún wa. Àmọ́ nǹkan tó ló fẹ́ fi ṣe fún wa náà.
Mo pè mí lágàn lẹ́nu ẹ̀.
Mi ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ Màjá, mi ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
Orí ọmọ ló ń pọ ọmọ wáyé.
Ṣùgbọ́n ló ti lóyún sí, Ọlọ́run ló ń fọmọ lọ́mọ náà. Ọlọ́run ló ń fi hàn lọ́mọ náà.
Shut up there.
Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, o ṣe gbogbo tó ṣe fún mi o ṣe o, mo fi yín lọ́wọ́ ẹ fẹ́ ra yín o. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní kí n máa fẹ́ o. Wọ́n sọ fún mi tó wọ́n ní kí n máa fẹ́ o. Mo ní máa fẹ́. Àǹtí mi gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Wọ́n bá wa parí ẹ̀ mi ò ní gbà.
Ó dẹ̀ rọra ṣe. Ìwọ máa wọrí. A máa ṣètò ẹ̀. Ṣó ti jẹun?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà.
Ṣe dáadáa.
Ọ̀gá ṣe ń kẹ́lù mi padà.
Kẹ́lù wọlé.
Instead of you to quarrel, why did you point me? Why did you point me?
Baby me.
You are there telling her that everything will be settled. It's like himself, he just really wants that get together.
Let's have it.
Very sweet boy. How are you? Are you going my way?
Oh my God! What be this?
Mommy!
Jesus.
Hi there.
For the second time, this guy is very anyhow person.
How are you?
I thought it's I'm fine.
I just can see.
Really?
Child!
Hey, she got the prettiest smile and the prettiest face.
I
pity you.
Hi
there. Been looking for you. Why don't you hop into my car? There's something
Fine
I'm
boys like.
Hey, who the hell do you think you are?
I beg you. I don't see you want to call the beg every time. This beggar, you will beg and tire everywhere good. If you do this thing before, you will stop her today.
Spiritually and physically, you think we know it, huh?
Is this to fuel your car?
Jesus!
That women supporting women. Okay, very sweet girls, listen up, girls. The truth is that I work with the highest bidder.
Jesus.
Understand now? So the thing is that you know how to English since it's not my fault. Asa, let's hang out.
Wale will shoot.
I haven't dreamed of that.
This is not dream. Hey! Hey, I for talk now. This one when girls going to rush me like I can have someone man. Nigerian girls know they like that.
I know where to be found. When it was happening, I was like, is this for real? Can it be done?
Babe, what are you doing?
Things like this happen. Let's see this one. Stingy guy, Prince, and his girlfriend on the move.
What's that?
It's salt.
Oh, okay.
Why are you monitoring her? Or are you scared she's going to put something in the food for you to eat and buy?
Babe, what's that?
It's pepper.
Now you put for Bovita can. Babe! What's your big one for back?
It's seasoning cube, I just bought it.
God help me now that day.
God help me. Don't tell me that.
Identified as Amos Edos Osamudame.
Babe, you are watching Crime Scene.
Yeah, I just like the show.
Just like the show.
Yeah.
You are jotting.
Yeah, I'm just taking note of some things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, no wala. Any idea? We just let me know. No, I'm coming. Let me know how it goes.
You better run. How can you be jotting? So that you don't find me.
Me also me call tell you say why you go sleep with my checkers, Maria. You know say I want Maria.
Shut up your dirty mouth. You will never chop. They follow me the drag. Hey, your baby no even sweet. Call your ass and make her do something make go chop.
You don't send me money, Jesus. 222 443 3489.
I don't say it to make go his guide.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate. You are the nicest man I've ever seen in my life. If my babe come across your way, give her up way.
Voila. Come over here.
You're sharp.
I like this guy with him big head. Why did you put on your cap? Let's see your shiny.
Oh my god.
This one is from Sunshine.
Notch. What did I do for you now?
That's my date over there, bro.
Now my date be that now.
Hey! What kind of my date now? I'm saying our date.
What kind of my date be that?
Bro, if I prank, stop him.
Don't try to stop now.
I'm saying our date.
We see him again, here date.
You guys are fighting for a woman. Oh wow. What if the woman not even they talk? What will you guys do then?
Guys!
Is that you?
This is not a gentle girl. Only you ordering this kind of place.
Like your date. Like your date.
Like your date.
Why did not call your date?
Like your date.
Like your date.
Everybody that finally that square root who won't carry liability and expenses this kind of season. Ordering platter of meat pie, shawarma, champagne, everything. Bro. Let's see this one from Nature. I think this one is hilarious. We're going to see it, and I'm trying to silence some background music to avoid copyright claim. And so guys, let's turn on the sound now. Let us go as we hear it.
This is my own part and pace, man.
It's not turning on, no. The sound is still there. Don't worry, when the sound comes down, the video will start playing.
And we agree, say we go share 50-50. Man, don't call me that. I don't tell you. They call me CBA.
Okay, CBA. How fun now? After all the money where you make, why is it the trek under hot sun now? You don't feel by motor. Yeah, as you see me, I'm now a car owner and I rent house for the heart of Lekki.
You rented a house? Why, man? I invest my peas, yeah? With Bouvic Homes. I mean, I invest all my money with Bouvic Homes. Man, they buy and then they sell house. I get land. Estates with Bouvic Homes. You can't go wrong. And they even offer property consultancy and project management. You understand? You contact them with the number where they display for your screen like this now. But, man,
it's about to rain.
Yeah? Help your bro. Make I reach my house for front there.
Yo fam, let me go tell your house. Make you come here, come carry you, go back to your house. Okay? You will see.
Can you imagine? You get up there, no one open door happy. You don't run inside, you still get pride. No one, I know what I will do for you.
Just watch this video. You will laugh and tire.
Lord, God have mercy. I beg no best. Then they put stubborn. You get one in particular with the 2 years friends.
I'm right behind you. Don't worry, we'll go mount down.
Jesus.
Yo man, it's up there.
I rent house for the heart of Lekki.
Okay, Lolo, don't give me too much now. I go pay. I know you're speaking out.
Go sleep for your car.
Remember this guy? Car owner. Don't worry.
One day I know you will ask for my help.
Don't let Edu interview you.
Yeah,
Don't
Alpha How you call a pass now? Before you come off from house this morning, you not let me know. I would be between the bath. This is a bath fish. I call you for my parlor. I come outside finish and they say you don't come out. My polo, that's one you wear yesterday night. So you start test me in all year before. Where you keep the polo? I know they say half inside the house. I mean you carry a follow body.
Bros, I beg no face. I know if you wait me, you come out from toilet at the hurry. You know, see yesterday I drink and the drink stay in my shirt. So I'm not carrying another shirt. That's why I wear your polo. No worry, I go wash the polo, return her back. Anytime I come your side. No face. Beg.
Call my sister, man, not lie for you. At the verse. You the yes so. All this kind of behavior, I know they like them. I did inside bedroom before when I test me, you wait for me.
Yeah,
before I come outside, you don't come out. If everybody for coded drones get this kind of behavior, you feel anybody go book a person from the website. Person they wait for person they between the bar before your client come outside, you don't walk about to the polo. Not be stealing be that one. Bring the polo come, may no go make me vest for you. And if they talk about this anytime you call return, you watch the polo come give me. You know how much I buy the polo? May you wash that polo first. May you wash that polo. May you know it you fine. Can't talk with that one. Person carry you overnight. The day break finish. You know wait till the person come outside. No, you go tell the person you won't come out. So you don't let me know say you come. You don't walk inside the house with my polo. I not blame me. I they go block you for the app. You dey coded drones. They behave anyhow like we don't even know anything.
For her to leave without waiting for you to, come out of the bedroom, simply tells that she has planned to steal that polo.
Come, I'm going to leave this place. It seems you are not ready to meet me here. Where are you? Outside. Then come inside now. What are you doing outside? Come inside, Jerry. I'm waiting. Please be fast.
Welcome,
sir.
Customer. Okay, just a play.
I beg go.
Must they put a singlet?
How are you?
Adeo.
I don't know.
Who are you?
Who are these people?
Now my friends now.
But I asked you to come alone, so why did you come with them?
Oh, now for security reasons, so say we were no good. So I had to work out with them. They watch my back and they watch their back.
Yeah. Okay then, feel free and take what you want.
Alpha, when I take anything, no. I swear.
Mismanage my funds on you. All I wanna do is
free and take what you want. So tell all your friends to pack things.
Wow.
Who is going to pay for them?
I love the ambience.
Run.
Solo.
Madam.
Hey, shut down.
What are you even doing with a teddy bear?
And I like pets very well. Listen, when I don't go work, I have to be called for house.
Don't fire you.
It's fine. Please, how much is everything?
75,500 naira.
For all this?
Oh boy!
You are joking.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am. Here at Shank International Luxury, we sell quality and affordable ways, and they are all strictly Italian ways. We deliver nationwide and worldwide.
And your location too very accessible. Shop 4, number 78 Ekenwa Road, just beside First Bank.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Solo, how much is a night again?
Madam, 25k till daybreak.
Okay. Then why don't you go take stuff that will cover for a night?
Wait now.
Madam, make her 2 nights own.
You don't have future here.
Oh, fair will not kill you, Solo. This one is Sam's Kid and Papa Ade. This is the part 2 of it. Papa Ade demands to go for part 2.
You didn't want.
Revenge game. Let's see if it's going to fall for the room.
Hey!
He has not known this trick before. There's no way he can fall for it.
Ade, come and get your baby. Ha!
I didn't know this guy's came with another strategy. Blood of Jesus. Papa Ade thought since he has already, mastered their first trick, he's going to win, but he never knew they prepared and come back with another strategy to defeat him. And they won, but he gave one slap. That slap was crazy, man, on that face. Brother Shaggy, the engineer, generator repairer. Let's say I'm going to do this one. I hope. I don't know why these people used to always call Brother Shaggy to come and repair their devices.
Okay. Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
The problem of this generator now, how?
Engineer.
Engineer. Now waiting cause am.
Are you sure?
I'm sure biti bawo. Okay, which kind of something that? What I don't they do for 35 years?
To aggressive answer, yes or no?
How much for the engineer?
Too much.
Let's say 25k.
25? For this small gen?
Try you go buy the oil yourself.
Yes, I'll go and buy it. Show me where I'll get it.
No, Alana. If you don't buy the oil, kuku can fix your generator.
No. Calm down now.
Okay, I don't get time. I see they go, you go fix gen.
It's fine. I'll send you the money.
045.
What's that?
Account number.
Won't I open the app?
I open the app. Okay, time no day. Open the app.
Bro, me.
Look at my face.
Okay, the transport money. No say.
Who are you? Send you 26 now.
I last one. Oh yeah, make I go get time. I no go take time. The place where I won't get time, no far. If I see be Okada and say, but Okada go kind of sata.
I like hurry up now. You're wasting time. I have to get inside. Don't tell me you don't go come back.
He talks too much and doesn't have power to do the real work. People that talk too much, they don't know how to work.
Okay.
It finally worked.
You know go work, eh?
Please connect the lights. The weather is really hot.
Connect which light? I don't already connect lights. Lights no dey inside.
There's no lights now.
Light no dey inside.
Fuck them up with the magic. Don't spoil anything in that gel.
Okay, I don't wait to do am.
But the gen is not on now.
Yeah, go check am now. Go check am.
I forgot to turn on the gen.
Go check am.
How is it going to work when the gen is not on? These people they whine me for this. You're already eating bread. You have not done your job perfectly. Don't get confused.
Alpha.
Everything's perfect.
But I did not know they doubt me.
But just come inside.
Hope no problem.
No, everything's perfect. There's rice. You never like take something.
Okay. Rice to be about. I might be professional. As I come like this now to do my work, move. Okay. You know that I go equal.
He knows that his job is not
okay, we take time. Is it white or jollof rice?
Jollof rice.
Hey! Chicken or turkey?
Turkey.
Let's go.
Yeah, you good for this work.
Good. Okay, I say no. Over good, they worry me.
Stop overacting yourself because you have not done anything good yet.
3. Okay, buy 7 more. 52 horsepower. Now me they tell you. As you say, yes!
What happened? What's the problem?
Okay, I be like say shock me.
Exactly what I
that is not possible. We'll go inside.
Okay, this thing shock me. Which one say that's not possible? This thing shock me. Say you get in shock. I be know they shock. Which one is that? I'm sure.
Okay, go inside.
Why are you going inside?
Let me fix generator.
Go inside and test it. Okay.
Some people don't know me.
First give me my 26k first.
I don't buy oil for your generator now.
And Kiriki go sleep today.
Okay, calm down.
Don't first give me my money. Waiting.
Many of that your sharp, but your TV just do boa. Even the fridge just do boa. Everything for your house just they do boa. Yeah.
Shaggy.
I've been a fucking damn soup.
You are in a really effing damn soup, man. How are you going to pay? Cannot even pay.
Hey, okay, relax, eh? Now my branch be this. Come, Namdi. We are Amaka there.
Amaka go warehouse now. You go arrange those goods for warehouse now.
That will prove the way I carry come the last time. See that?
Okay, do. I see I hear now. Let me this now.
Alaji. Walai, name be this.
How much is it?
Na me go ne ko.
See no.
Alaji, 5.5 million last.
5.5 million.
Yes. This one, me shout, bulletproof. Walai, I quite bulletproof, so say.
Okay, as long as it's bulletproof, me, I don't get wahala.
Christmas at Obuonwe.
Call your account number, make I send money for you.
Okay, can you account to him? Actually, I'm okay, go abana. Tutu.
Na papi ne ngwe squad game, carry am one way shop.
44, Papi's bank.
Alright, sent.
Hey! Okay, but talk and do. Now the door be this, eh? What you go happen? You go stop truck, make I load am for you.
No problem.
Let me go load am for you. See, I came back, I book on your door. I do business with you, sir. Yeah. If you come to patronize me all the time, eh? If you come, if I know they go back, tell him make him call me.
No problem. Alright, see you next time.
This one are just boys, no side sellers.
Calm down.
My guy say make I test am for the door.
Your guy say make you test am.
Yes.
Okay. No problem now. You na see the door test am.
Kai. My guy say make you lie down for ground. Make I put the door on top. Make I test am for the door.
What you want me say? I go like you go put the door for ground test am. No be me be the door. See the door.
Kai. Yeah. My guy say make you dey for ground. The door dey on top. I test am for the door. Okay, okay. Kai say make I test am for the door.
Test am for the door. Test am.
Who is the man test them with? Test them for that one, Kajuko. That one with green suit there. Test them.
Jesus.
Alhaji. Me, no green suit. Me, empty body. No green. Kayoga? This one I know you are for green clothes. Mala, make una no make me best. Make I show you. Test them for this one. See this one. Test them for this one.
Kayoga, like that for Ghana, make I test them for the girl.
Ankali.
Kai like that.
Ankali.
Malam
Ankali.
You cannot
now,
test
let
it.
them transfer now before they test at this done now.
So like this now, I want to put it on top of me, then shoot her.
Yes. Make transfer, Oga first. Oga, today come make transfer.
Robert!
Robert!
Who gives about 100 million views for Facebook?
That last video.
No man, that video funny.
That video funny?
It's funny.
You sure?
It's funny, where?
Play the video, make I see.
Okay, man, search up Sabalo Facebook. See the video.
Because witchcraft join this your own.
What's funny for here? No be Nyash at the Sisu.
Na Nyash.
Nyash, they funny you.
Sorry, sir.
How that video take it 100 million views?
Cinema man, no lie, and me watch 99 million views.
The Nyash be. He be.
No verse.
So who go pay that 100 million views?
No verse. I go remove him.
Wait, make I watch that video.
Okay.
Now only 100 million views you give her. Give her 100 million views, my friend.
Sorry, sir.
You don't know video when it can.
Sorry. Control Sabalo comedy 1 billion views. Done.
Make I go watch her inside my office. Bring that oil away there, that cupboard. Okay. I don't come. Okay.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Enough is enough.
Keep quiet, I beg. Keep quiet. We come to think of it. Things they expensive every day for this country. Yesterday now I go market to buy fowl, cockroach, 30,000.
Now that one you talk. I said I go market yesterday. I buy one bag of fries, 170,000.
My husband come to collect list yesterday. My father said me go bring goat now 200,000. Now to start to burn for us.
I won't carry my family go village from Port Harcourt to Were 9,000 and I get 12 today.
Shut up, man. Then when I tell to stop to burn you, yeah.
Can't get away there. I think I dey impotent like you.
So this get impotent.
Come go for hand.
Am I go to relax? Leave all this church who they talk. The thing is, more good government has go protest. The price of things are too expensive. Yeah. You go protest.
Stop, sit down for there. When it reach time to protest for Gary and salt, you stand up.
Hey! Jesus Christ. God have mercy upon us. What is that? What is that? So it's only Gary and salt you know how to eat. That's what it means now.
You this boy, you better come here now.
Come here, beg now.
If I catch you,
you
don't go like yourself. When you go want me by say she didn't do any. I give you money when you go buy Christmas clothes. You carry the money, go play sporty bets.
I don't go play am again, I beg.
If I send somebody, make them help me catch you for there. You don't go like yourself, oh. And they want you now, you better come here. Mom, yes, you don't pass me by. She didn't do any.
Madam, I like to catch her.
Now wait till you take touch her. Catch her. You help me catch her, Abi, you not can juju.
Madam.
You don't knock my pikin juju.
Lesson. Life lesson.
What happened?
You don't knock my pikin juju.
Jesus!
That's what they do. Christmas don't reach now. They find person where they go use do ritual.
Hey! Boss, I can't catch him. Oh, yeah, wake up now.
God help me now that I did. God help me.
Who is going to believe you? Never. That is why it's very important for you to mind your lesson, no matter what. Like, I mean, mind your business.
What do you think of bringing you here?
Where is this waiter? Waiter!
Is this not Moz? First time seeing Moz in this outfit, kind of outfit for you.
Thank you.
You're so fast.
So fast. They are the best. Thank you, man. You need to know that.
Thank you for bringing me here.
You're welcome, baby. Hope you enjoyed the food.
I did. Oh my god.
Okay, so waiter. So what's like? Okay.
Baby,
Okay.
what are you doing? I'll pay the bill.
What's going on here?
You will.
I will pay the bill.
Is this a prank? Where is your camera?
It's not a prank.
He's so surprised. It has never happened in his lifetime.
I'll pay. Serious, I'll pay. I'll pay.
Thank you.
Why are you guys acting up? Where are you going?
I'm coming, Jake.
Alpha bro, see, Omo bro, shall I tell you say good girls do exist? Then you see this new girl who I just jam Tuesday, who I just meet. Omo, take the girl out now. We dey where we eat finish, then bring bill for. If you see this bill long. I won't pay. This girl collect am for my hand pay. She said she go pay. Omo, you shock me. It not shock you. Omo, I don't live now for market like this. I don't see why if I go marry. Nah, she don't be shy, no do. So now I won't make you call Queen Rabbit TV, call gossip me, call Yabale, call Tunde no me, all of them call interview me. I don't see the real one. Okay, bro, I will talk to you later. Make I go meet her.
Hello viewers, reporting live from Queen Rabbit's TV. History is about to be made. A lady in there is about to pay a bill, not just a bill, a massive bill. Something that have never been done in Nigeria, not even in Nigeria, in Abuja. Oh God. Here with me is the boyfriend of the history breaker.
History breaker.
Hello, thank you guys, thank you. Thank you.
How do you feel?
I feel so excited. You know, nothing God cannot do. And my name deserves to be in the Guinness Book of Records for this.
You deserve it. So guys, stay tuned.
Okay, bros, what up? Bros, where's the lady I came here with?
Oga, where you go since? I didn't get ready for this. I don't know where you go.
Babe, why are you dressed like this?
Which one you say dressed like this? Oga, I beg, see this guy don't get ready for you since so. Make you pay the bill. I know get 1 million to give them. I don't leave it here. They waka they come out with. Baby, come in my shop. My shop. What they want my wife?
Cash or transfer?
Woman, our enemy.
They play. You could not even wait and see if she's going to actually pay. You run the cast. The cast with it not possible. It is not possible. What's going on here?
God have mercy upon us.
Very smart move. You think you can kidnap my friend? I will drive the car.
Let's have it.
I don't dare my fans.
Wow. She didn't even look back before entering the car. And some of the guys are still inside. Making two people for them to kidnap.
Let's have it.
Beauty. Excuse me. It's landlord speaking.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Beauty. I am the landlord.
You? Yes. The landlord of this place?
Yes. Are you surprised? Am I too young? It's hard work. How are you?
I'm fine.
You are so beautiful. Do you live in Lagos? You know, I'm searching. I'm just a single landlord. I would love to, do something with you. Why are you here? Are you looking for apartment or somebody or
Auntie, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon there. How are you?
I'm welcome. Uncle Mary said she give me that plate.
Sabi, wait, rest.
That she used to put food for you so she can put food for you.
It's children, that's how they embarrass each other.
But Uncle, she already know you're poor.
Give her the slap.
This is my auntie.
Is it true, you know?
Of course, nah. I don't say you be poor, man. How they enjoy your lines. Make you just dey fool yourself small, make her they look you. Let's go, Jerry.
Uncle, better bring your plate, or if not, the food will finish.
Come now, come go take the plates. Tell mother, make him put the food plenty.
Since when I don't catch me, there's no need of me trying to become a big man now. Let me just show myself. That food is very important. That's a very big disgrace though. Let's see this one from Little SMS. And I think it's about Christmas chicken.
Can you forget this Galamo? Ole! My phone!
Thief.
See, I don't tell my wife, say, make you not tie this phone for outside. I go buy phone with 50,000 dollars for outside. Wetin dey happen now? I go tie this phone for outside. Oh, my husband, I say make she make the phone sit down for let breeze. How much I take pay your bag price? 120 naira. So 120 naira, I don't tie it for outside. Now go buy phone with 50,000, you go tie your for outside. Take you go tie am for the parlor, not put am for kitchen, put am for parlor. Give me. Make I tie am, don't forget. If not be me now, for take this phone when I buy with 50,000, not tie am again, no. It cost pass your bag price, oh. Why you come dey tie am for television now? Make I see wetin I use my money buy now. Don't put am for food. And from today go, na there the family go dey dey till Christmas, till I kill am. I dey watch it, I dey see wetin I use my money buy.
So that whenever you're watching TV, you will see it. Before person will go too far, my brother, I support you. I'm with you. I'm in with you for this.
I get plug.
I get plug.
I get one of the one me before. You know what? I dey call like this. You active now. You don't go high. I'm here. You're pretty. See why I like this guy. Key. You're active like this. Bro. Yeah. Massive too useless, bro. That one at team. Massive too useless. Still yeah, man. 100 million let it count to blood. Baba. Massive. Match they win 1-0. They bar. Bro. Hello. Who be this one? I'm a Man City fan. I'm Man City fan lose. Eh? I don't lose game. Yes. No the shame. The fact that they lose, somebody post it for their face now. I don't understand. I will see failure. I will see fair again. See, listen to me. Don't Man City fan lose. They cut my game almost 200 million. I still support them. I want peace. You want peace? I want peace. You see, your guy don't look like peaceful person. This peace where they go peace. That's what they do now. You understand? But why you go to support Man City? I come on you off my shoulder. I know they like him.
I tell you.
What's be this? You dey want? Oh my God! You my guy. There's a cake for me. Today na your birthday. Exactly. Not my birthday. God don't do for Man City fan, my brother. Today na your birthday. Man City was not cost my ticket again. I go find you, Consha. You go pay for the sins of Man City. Anyhow, you be sure. I go find a cold water. Go find water. God, they walk. This girl now, peace. After I'm gonna kill you. How many days you want to peace now, bro? I no peace again. Wow, you're pretty big. You're the peace. Where that's it? You give a cake. The guy you're round. You go.
Think I'll be Blaq.
What's the update? Yeah, I hope so you now see that my other wife. Come on. Can I never come? Can we move now? Just one is bad one is Colos dey inside. I swear I'm coding. I mean, I got me come. Wait, we don't receive anything. Like, you see how my guy make give this guy we a good shit now. Oh, they don't wait to that Manchester idiot. That Manchester idiot. What shit in there? Don't be green. Na green. Before you come out, you chop cake for here. When you put us today na bed na. Bless that guy collect our brand soon.
How many of you remember this man?
I beg for you. Let's go take it.
Ew, he say nobody.
Who you dey follow talk?
Not this guy for your credit. That's me. How many of you remember this guy? You look when they post with my face.
So, colors. Who you dey follow talk? Jesus Christ. Thank God say we don't take these brownies. That's what they do. For this trip for mad. Why you take make this thing, bro? I tell you now, me make I'm good.
Carry my picture, bro. For
It's hello, bro.
You guys are lucky you didn't take it. It have become worse than this.
You dey Chris, I mean you dey follow talk.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
What kind of song is that? Ebenezer, who even sang that song with that bad tune? This one is from Agent of Laughter and the man with the ghost. And I want you guys to congratulate him for acquiring or for obtaining the YouTube Golden Award. Yes, he just surpassed 1 million subscribers on his channel. So congratulations to Agent of Laughter on this one. But who gave him the award is what we should be talking about. What has this guy done to Spirit that they don't want to leave him alone? What has he done to them? They don't want to leave him alone. Now look at. May God have mercy upon you, Agent of Laughter. Thank you guys. We've come to the end of this comedy compilation. I believe it's a nice one for you guys. And if you enjoy this comedy, please don't hesitate to subscribe if you have not. And also turn on post notification bell icon. Like, share, and comment your opinion on this comedy video. The comment section is down below this video. All right, guys, what's your favorite moment in this comedy compilation? There are a lot of favorite moments, many favorite moments there, but I don't know yours. You just have to let us know by commenting in the comment section below. Okay, so let's go. You know one thing about, I love this Papa Ade's comedy. Like, firstly, when they came to play with Papa Ade, I don't think they actually succeeded in playing with him, because he actually, you know, came up with one quarrel or the other, and they started, you know, ranting upon each other. And at the end of the day, Sam's kid and his girlfriend left the scene, and Ade and his father also left the scene. But this time it's a part 2, and Sam's kid and his girlfriend decided to go visit Papa Ade on this one and make sure they play this game with him. They almost succeed, but something happened. This is what happened. The vroom vroom, the zip off, this name didn't work on Papa Ade. He almost worked on him, but he was like, never, it will not work. After looking at it, he still held his hand very strong, and at the end of the day, they used another trick on him, and it worked. You know, there is no way we see Ade in trouble. He will see Ade misbehaving without responding. So that actually made him very weak, because they actually got his weak point, and they succeeded in winning Papa Ade. But they got away with one dirty slap. That one I don't mind now. The slap Ade supposed to collect. Nine Sam's kid collect. So I think that is a very funny one. That is a very funny one from Papa Ade and Ade. Yes, Papa Ade and Ade. And what do you think about this guy that has a bolo, like bololo? I just say, make I can't tell you, make this guy. I love his comedy. One thing I love about him is the way he talks, the way, you know, he becomes serious whenever he's acting. I really love that pattern. Like, I think we need more. I need more content from this guy. You know, I think I need more content from him. His comedy is not that long. I think it should, you know, engage in creating long content for his followers, his subscribers, and his viewers to enjoy more of his fun. You know what I mean? So, what do you think about the comedy compilation? It's very hilarious, and there are so many on it. Especially that one that you don't want to carry me with your car, but forgetting that you rented my house. Yes. It was unknown to that guy that the house he paid for was his friend's house. And the friend asked him to carry him in his car, but he never mind. He drove off and told the friend that if you want me to carry you, go and let up. Like, I can't carry you. Call your house to come and carry you. It's about to rain, and you know. So getting to know each other very properly, when you get to the man's house, he realized that the house belongs to his friend that he didn't carry. How are you going to react if you are the landlord of the house and this guy actually, you know, failed to carry you, or, you know, left you on the in the rain without, you know, rendering help, you know, to you? What would you do if you're that friend that owns the house? Like, I think this is what you all will do. Throw him out of the house immediately. You're clear. That's what I would do to him. And I love that comedy. It's actually fine and hilarious. Very hilarious. Funny Bros is not on this one. Nasty Blaq, Sydney Talker, we're still expecting them to shoot more content so that we can use. But for now, I think they are busy with other things, you know, no content for now. And I think tomorrow or next tomorrow, Funny Bros will release, or Shank Comics, you know, one of these comedians that is your favorite will release. But for now, I just want you to bear with us as we watch this one. I know you enjoyed it. You enjoyed it because all these upcoming comedians, they are very good. You know, they want to put their strength, they want to put their energy, they want to put their skills, they want to put more focus or attention on their content to make it good, to make it worth watching, so that, you know, they can come up to limelight, you know. So I pray for them that God will guide them through all these struggles and make them become popular and You know what I mean? So that is for that, and I thank you, and I think we've come to the end of this comedy. Like, but before we go, I really want to explain. I really want to talk about this. Why could Prince come on leave that house? Because his wife come out Maggie for bag and can't watch crime watch. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Like, are you thinking what I'm thinking? I don't know. He might have so many reasons why he left the house without, you know, mentioning any words. And the girlfriend thought he left, that he's going to come back very soon, not knowing that bye-bye for life. Bye-bye for life. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this review. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation. Have a wonderful time and peace out.